morning, everyone. We'll start with our monthly recommendations. First, we have Bharat Electronics. It is a large cap public defense company, mainly catering to the Indian defense. They are into electronic equipments and also defense systems, providing mainly to the Indian defense. They also have exposure to the public civilian sector, but it is very less, even as its exports. So quarter 3, their order inflows have been comparatively less. So the management has given a guidance that this quarter onwards their order will increase. Right now their order book is around 70,000 crores. Mainly this delay came last quarter mainly because elections happened, and although government allocated good money to defense budget, the allocation has not yet happened. And also looking at the current situation, having a defense stock in the portfolio is a good bet. And also we are expecting result next week. So that is one event we will have to look after. And next we have SBI. It is the largest public sector bank in the country. Quarter 4 results had come. They have a decent numbers, good growth in advances and deposits. Their non-performing assets, which is the percentage of loans which have gone bad for the bank, it's well under control last quarter and even for the whole year last. One particular news regarding SBI is they have 24% stake in S Bank. And yesterday we got the news that they are selling around 14% stake for over 8,900 crores. So we'll have to see what they'll do with the money. But extra cash liquidity is always good for a bank. And particularly banks, SBI, HDFC, ICICI, they all had good results. But I think last Tuesday, especially when the war news came out, bank index got hit, but slowly recovering back again. And next we have Schaeffler. It is the subsidiary of the German Schaeffler company. They are one of the heavyweights in the automobile components sector. They mainly deal with auto ancillary components. And again, they had a decent quarter 4. They've invested heavily last 3 years in India. So from this year onwards, they are seeing how they can make use of all the money invested. They currently have 3 manufacturing facilities in the country. They have very less exposure to the US. So even if there is any tariff related news, it will not really impact the company as such. And recently we have gone through their con call. So the management has told that there is very good demand in the hydro energy sector. So they are mainly into bearings and other transmission. So this demand will really come into play in the next few quarters. And next we have ICRA. ICRA is a credit rating agency. They mainly provide credit rating to the companies based on their financial situation. In India, there are only three players in India. One is CRISIL, ICRA, and CARE. CRISIL is the subsidiary of Standard and Poor from US. ICRA is the subsidiary of Moody's from US, and CARE is a completely Indian-based company. So this is an industry where entry is not very easy. A lot of regulations. So it's only among these 2 players. But CRISIL is the market leader. CARE and ICRA mainly are fighting for the remaining spot. So no company specific news as such. CRISIL had very good numbers, but valuation wise, ICRA and CARE almost are trading at a similar range. So we are expecting result on 19th. So that is one important day to look after. And last we have Chambal Fertilizers. So see, last 3-4 meetings we have given many chemical companies, and most of them have done well, like Coromandel, we have given insecticides, Sharda Cropchem. So we are seeing recovery in the sector as a whole. The pricing is coming in power. So Chambal Fertilizer, they are market leader in urea. They have around 12% share in urea. Urea is one of the raw materials required for many products. And recently they are planning to set up a plan for ammonium nitrate, which is the plan should be functioning only next year. It is done with L&T. So ammonium nitrate is one of the materials required for defense explosive equipments. So this is deviating from their general revenue stream, which mainly comes from agrochemicals like insecticides, herbicides. And Chambal, again, it is trading at a very good PE right now, so it is a good entry for those who are interested. And looking at last month's performance, Nifty gave a return of 5%, our stocks gave a return of 4.8%, Mahindra results had come as expected. It's very good results, so those who are holding can still hold. It went to almost 3,100, now came back to 2009. So that one's target has been met. BPCL result was average. Even Federal Bank result was average. But as I said, Federal Bank gave negative return only because last Tuesday the Bank Nifty went down a lot. It was only in response to that. Otherwise, result-wise, they gave decent numbers. Insecticides and Tata Power, those are having, can still hold. We've also recently started trading in unlisted shares, so those who are interested can contact Anil sir. Okay, thank you.